I think we have completed till here. I think vertical bar. So, like how we have this stacked vertical bar. Same way we have horizontal bar also. Let me execute few steps. Okay. This is what stacked vertical bar, and I'm going for horizontal vertical bar. See, these are horizontal vertical bar. So this is nothing but your stacked vertical bar, and this is stacked horizontal bar. Execute this one. And let me know once it completed, I'll go to the next graph. So now about scatter plot, Amma. Scatter plot generally used to correlation. Like if you want to know the correlation between two different attributes, we'll prefer to go for scatter plot. Okay, so here I'm taking x1 values, something randomly I have taken some values, y1 values also randomly I have taken. Same, I have taken x2 and y2 values. Okay, some values randomly I have chosen. Now I'm asking to go for scatter plot x1 comma y1. x1 like x label I want to give time spent, y label I want to give as a score. So I want to plot only x1 and y1. Okay, x1 and y1 values, using these values I want to plot. Okay, and this plotting how I'm doing, like x label I'm giving time spent and y label I'm writing like score. See the graph. As we have taken only few values, due to that reason, we got only few dots. If your data set is huge data set, then what happens? These dots will be like many more it will come. Do this one.
ఆ రోజు అలాగే
See here now, like you are unable to understand this scatter plot, right? So what I'm doing here, I want to take some like 0 to 1000, like it should be a gap of 10. Like randomly it has to choose some values. Randomly it has to choose some values in between 0 to 1000. In between 0 to 1000, I want to choose two values. Okay. So as soon as I have chosen like that, I'll be getting many values will be scattered out and shown on to the graph. Shown on the graph. See? Randomly, you are going to choose many values. Okay. So it has chosen multiple values. Some 0 to, even though if you are taking 0 to 10,000 values, if you want to choose also, like some most of the time you'll be getting repeated values, though it will be displayed like this. this is not pie chart. We all know this is pie chart, right? So for that, what I have taken area. The labels of that is low, high, medium, critical. Okay, and each thing I want to mention with the different colors. Low, I want to mention like green color, high red color, medium magenta color, critical blue color. Now I am plotting pie chart using area and labels, colors. The start angle should be equal to 45. From where it need to start? We have mentioned certain fluctuation is there. Due to that, on and off. Okay. See this is the pie chart. Start angle I have given. From there, according to the values, you will be getting the pie chart here. I hope everyone completed. Completed. Shall I go to this other graph? Yes or no? I don't know why people are not responding. They are not responding like like how I'm dealing with the other section people. Like the same way I need to behave like with you also. Okay, you have to do and you have to respond. Otherwise, it will be very tough. So now I have taken A for the same pie chart. Labels low, high, medium, critical. Okay, low is green. The same way. Low is green, high, medium is magenta, and critical is blue. So here, colors like the same thing. Instead of that, start angle I have taken. Start angle I have taken 90 and automaticity is 1.1 f. If I take like that, see what happens. Here it is not giving any kind of like, anyway we are getting the information. Let's see the difference in between this and this. This is the percentage. What percentage of total, if it is 100%, if you are thinking as a 100%, what percentage of occupied? Blue is occupied, red is occupied, and medium is occupied. It will calculate the percentage. Okay, so like you are able to understand the difference between this pie chart and this pie chart. For that, this is the difference. You need to do along with me. Then only you'll be able to understand. Otherwise, you will never get the subject. I don't know how many of you are working. we are getting errors also, then and there only it will be get resolved. Because at the end of, end of the day, the internship certificate, you have to do the process. And all these are important to do the project. Then we are going towards histogram. So histogram will be drawn, it will be drawn using the bins. Okay. So let me know where this pie chart is applicable and where this histogram is applicable. Okay, generally what happens, histogram means, histogram you cannot use on a small data set. Even pie chart you can take even 4 values, 3 values, 2 values also, right? But histogram required greater than 100 observations. The data size should be more than 100. Okay, and for what purpose it will be used means, it will give the information about the major features or how the data is distributed among the, like its convenient form, and like it will able to identify or to detect unusual observations, even outliers, you may call it as outliers, or any gaps you have, you'll be easily identified. For example, regularly you are doing particular transaction, your bank credit card transactions. So how the bank people will identify that it may be a fraud or something like that? Means regularly you are doing transactions in between 100 rupees to 10,000 rupees. Regularly, when we are doing bank transactions in between 100 rupees to 10,000. But suddenly one day we made a transaction of rupees 10 lakhs. Okay. So they'll see the dots. Example, see this when you are drawing the graph of your transactions. And you are doing transactions, all transactions in between 10 to 10,000. Okay, all transactions are there. When you are connecting the dots, when you are like plotting the dots or the values in terms of graphs, all values are here. Not more than 10,000. But you are talking about 10 lakhs. So one transaction you made it here at 10 lakhs. See, regular cluster is this. Regularly, your cluster is this in between 10,000 to 10,000. But some value is observed here, which will be here. Some value which you have seen, like it's an anomaly. Usually, your transactions are different, and it has predicted, like it has shown something like anomaly, due to which bank people will be able to identify that there. Gap in between the regular transactions to the transaction which you made just now. See the pie chart, it will be little difficult to identify the anomalies. It is 5 or 10 partitions, maybe it is easy. But we are speaking about values made in terms of 100. You have 100 values and you want to predict, is there any anomalies detected in this or not? So if you want to draw that in terms of pie chart, see 100 means 100 partitions. It's very tough to identify that which one is big and which one is smaller. Okay. So due to that, generally people will prefer to go for histogram. See, so seeing this, you may say that here it is an anomaly. Now the same like histogram, I want to mention certain bins. I want to mention certain bins. Like here, according to the values, it has taken some bins, right? We got mentioned pop age, comma bins, histotype, like bar you mentioned, and width is 0.9. So width you have taken 0.9. So 0 to 0.9. So like that, some 10 values range it will take. So every 10 values, it is going to take certain range. But here I want to mention something like bin should be 50 bins I want. Size is equal to 1000. Randomly I'm choosing some values here, and the size or the range you are going to give us 1000. And here the color is, the bin's color is yellow green. I just want to print. And edge color I want to mention. Here I don't have any edges color, right? So I want to mention even edge color is equal to K means black. Now I want to draw this histogram. So I want to draw histogram. See, this I'll be getting. Like this, I'll be getting some bins, almost 50 bins. Next, area plot. Generally, we will use the plotting till here. Till the histogram, pie charts will be used. This is also one such plot to mention the area wise. Like if you want to give the certain values and the area only you want to plot according to the values what you received, and you want to plot plot according to the values means some values will be here, some values will be here, some values will be here. Accordingly, you can plot the things. See here, here x value I'm taking np dot arrange up till 30, and y value I'm taking np dot random dot normal. Okay, that will be from okay. So you have given range bound. You have given certain range bound. What happened today? Completely fluctuations are there. So as long as I have taken certain random values, that values I am assigning to square of y. Okay, I am taking values. And using this y square and x values, I want to plot the area plots. Okay, I want to plot the area plots. And this is what the area plot. And simply not plotting, you also written the last statement in terms of fill between x comma y. You want to fill. If I have not written this, see how I'm going to get the graph. Hello. వస్తారేమో ఇంకొక 1 hour లో ఆన్ ది వే.
వస్తే కనుక రేపు 5 o'clock కలుస్తాను దేశంలో.
The graph here. So earlier I've used the plot dot fill underscore between. If I've used that, I haven't the complete area is filled with the color. But when I have removed that, see how I got simply normal graph. It's not looks like the area. It's not looks like the area. But when I've removed this as comment and This plotting is generally used in between the plot number and the data frame. Okay. Even not only AI, even when you're going for data science, data analytics, wherever you'll be going, all the visualizations what we are learning, this is common in all the tools and all the domains. If it is a and ML domain or maybe syntaxes or the you like getting the graphs, applications are different, process is different, procedure is different, but all these graphs will be having even in your data science, data analytics, and ML also. So I have executed this. Some internet issues are there, ma. Due to that, these fluctuations are there, and it's taking too long time to execute that. Though it is executing, it is not able to connect. But don't bother. See, whatever so far we have executed, it is nothing is there. So due to that reason, whatever I am executing now will not be get output. So to avoid that, I need to execute the first step again. I'm executing again the first step, where I have matplotlib import pyplot as PLT, import numpy as NP. Only these two I required. Execute the area plot also. See, this is for the area plot. Earlier, when you have removed this plot dot fill between x comma y, what happened? It has shown a normal graph. Even by seeing that, no one will be able to say that this is an area plot. Okay. But see, when you have fill the between area also, then it looks like the area plot. If you are going to give the multiple values and multiple parameters, your area will be looks something different. As I have taken only x and y values, only two parameters here, our area is looks like this. This is what stack plot. So here I have taken some x range from 1 to 7. Y range I have given like these are list. So list of list. Y is list of list. Okay. Now, so this list what I have, this is what y1, y2, y3, y4. This entire list I have named those lists as y1, y2, y3, and y4. Now I want to plot area plot. Like see here, here I have taken only two parameters. X and Y. As I have taken only two parameters, my area plot looks like this. But when I have taken multiple values, multiple parameters here, this is what multiple. Okay. Then our area looks different. See, this is what our area. One represents Y1, Y2, Y3, and Y4. So here we have taken different parameters. So this is what your visualizations. Hope you all are completed this. Yes. So till here we have learned Python basics. Now where we are going means we are entering into the application. Whatever learned we like till here, that we are applying in terms of a project. So to do that project, we have to learn few more basic things. So those basic things we are going to learn there. Are you ready? Shall we go there? Yes. Shall we go there? This is what our third unit. Okay. To do any project, we have to import few packages. Those are import NumPy as NP and import pandas as PD. Import NumPy as NP, pandas as PD. Import them. Open another Google Colab and start importing these two packages. Then I want to give you one data set, or I'll share you the drive link. Just a sec. This is the drive link from where you can download your data set. All of you I'm requesting you all to download the data set. So once you have downloaded, let me know. Have you downloaded or not? Respond. Then, as soon as you have downloaded, see, this is the way to read your, like, what kind of file it is? It is data one dot, like data.csv. It is a CSV file, right? But not this. Go to here. See, I think all of you are able to see here a folder symbol, right? Click on that. Click on that. As soon as you have clicked on it, you'll be able to see some upload symbol here. Okay. Click on upload symbol. And here for me, it is data one. I am opening that. So that immediately, as soon as you have uploaded that, you'll be getting this file. You'll be getting this file. All of you are able to do this. Yes or no? Are you able to get this? Why your people are not even responding? If you are completed, just put a message that yes, ma'am, completed. Then only I'll be able to understand. Otherwise, whether you are doing or you are getting or not, I'm unable to understand anything. If done, yes, done. Completed. At least something you need to give information. I'm not recording, self-recording. This is a session I'm dealing. I never asked these many times to the students. First time I'm asking you 10 times. If you are done, let me know. Every time students will be able to respond. Whatever task I have assigned, if you have completed, simply send a message, it's completed. Then soon, whatever, the file which you want to upload here, soon if you upload it, right click on it and copy the path. Right click on the file, select copy path. Come back to here, and anyway I have written, so I'm simply pasting that. But for your case, you need to write df is equal to, so now your CSV file you want to convert to data frame. So you are converting here to data frame. DF is equal to, using pandas, you are reading the CSV file. PD dot read underscore CSV. R represents raw data, where raw is not compulsory. It's an optional. If you want to write R, you can write. Otherwise, you can leave. It is not compulsory. R, after R, in between the single quotes, whatever the path you have selected at your file, that will be pasted here. Simply copy there, copy from there and paste it here. Then execute it. Then check whether your data frame is available or not. Yes, this is what your data frame. Like what data you pass to your DF will be displayed. As it is, data frame will be get displayed. Till here, if like all has to respond. Till here, if you completed, let me know. Already I have taken 6 minutes more. I'm going to wind up this session within 4 minutes. If you completed, let me know that information.